Hello kids, welcome to my channel Lerne Deutsch. This is a 10-day German workshop. On day 1, we will be covering basic greetings in German. Grüße. Once again, Grüße. To pick up the words faster, all you have to do is listen to me carefully and repeat. The first thing in the morning, you say Guten Morgen. Guten Tag. Guten Abend. When you go off to sleep, you say Gute Nacht. Hello. When you are talking to your friend or family, you say hello. When you talk to an unknown person, you say Guten Tag. Wie geht es dir? Gut, danke. Es geht mir gut. If you are not fine, you say Es geht mir nicht gut. Tschüss. When you are talking to your family or friend, you say Tschüss. Auf Wiedersehen. If the relation is formal, if you are talking to an unknown person, you say Auf Wiedersehen. Danke. Bitte. Danke. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. Danke.